Hello traders, in this video I'm going to share with you guys the free trading view indicator, which is 10 times better than using any moving averages. And you will see in this video that how the indicator is working and better than the moving averages. So please make sure that you watch the full video and do not skip it. So before I start this video, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a special 1-hour coaching program. You can book your 1-hour coaching session with me. Please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. And moreover, if you're willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and it provides you a variety of trading accounts as you can see on the screen, so you can join this broker by finding the link from the description of this video below. Okay, now guys, we are going to write in indicator section zero lag. Okay, so here we need to choose the zero lag indicator, that is called version 2 zero lag EMA v2 by Kivans. Okay, so the author name is Kivans Ozbijilik. Okay, so I'm going to use this indicator 3 times, so I will be going to click it for 3 times. Okay, so 2 and 3. Okay, so we will click this indicator 3 times. Okay, now you can see that the indicator is attached here. Now we will do some sort of settings. The first length that I'm going to change is 20, and inside the style section you can choose any colors by your choice, so I'm just giving it a white color. Okay, the second settings, I'm going to the inputs first, and here I'm going to choose 40. And going into the style section, I'm just giving a random color like little bit pink. Okay, so press OK, and then I'm going to the settings of the third indicator, and I'm going to give it like say green color, and going to the inputs, and I'm going to choose here 60, right? Okay, now guys, I have done all 3 settings, and we will attach the zero lag 3 times. So now guys, this is the perfect setup for you to understand that how you can trade with this trading setup. Okay, so first of all, as you can see that we have 3 lines here, so please make sure that you must understand that sometimes, and most of the times, it will happen that the market will be going to touch the middle red line. Okay, and then you will see that the reversal is coming. So when you see that the reversal is coming from the middle line, you need to be alert. So when you get a breakout after touching the red line, and then you have a breakout properly, you can enter into the sell position, and you can see here that the direction of the trend was down. Even if you look at here again, it tested the middle line, then you can see. So here the middle zero lag is that is called the 40 period, that is working like a magic, because if you even look at here, you can see the rejection from here. Okay, so most of the time, and you can see when the middle has a break, and then when the price action starts to come above the green one as well, then you can see the trend get changed. And here you can see properly, here you can see the green was at the top, and you can see here the green comes at the bottom. That's a very clear message that the price has changed. Okay, in that case, you will again wait for the market. You can take your entry from here, that's not a problem, but I'm going to tell you that guys, you guys use Fibonacci levels and something like this. So no, that's not important. You can see just near to the middle line, again the market get a boost. Okay, here it break the middle line, and when you see that the middle line has broke, it means that now something is wrong. Might be the trend is getting reversed. Okay, now you can see after breaking the middle line, finally it also broke the green line, and then you can see the trend get reversed. Okay, now let me show you it's on other pairs. So for example, that's a good example on gold. You can see that here you can see from the middle line, almost from the middle line rejection, almost near to the middle line again rejection, but right now things are looking something else. So guys, now it means that the trend is getting changed, so might be we should be looking for the buy positions. Okay, in that case as well, you can see that the price is getting the rejection. So guys, you can plan your entries from here as well, from here as well, and for the retracement from the middle levels, because that's the good example. For example, look at this one. Okay, tested the middle one, breakout above the white one, then you can see you had a buying chance. Okay, now if you look at here, the things are getting a break here, so something can happen, but not sure. Okay, So this is how you can do a profitable trading with this indicator. Zero lag, attach it 3 times and do with the same settings like I have explained you right now. So guys, what do you think about this trading setup? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe FX Mentor US, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.